world's smallest and easiest aerial camera ever made. Capture HD photos and videos never before possible. Then share them like magic right from the app. It's like having a personal photographer in your pocket. Take it everywhere and put away the selfie sticks forever. AirPix works with just one touch. It will fly, frame, snap, and return, all by itself. So cool and so easy. If you want more control, just use the in-app joystick. You can also turn on 360 mode to automatically take pictures all around. And it will follow your face for the perfect picture. You can even control it with gestures. In the app, customize your pics and then post them instantly to your favorite social stream. You can even live stream real-time adventures from the air. Wowing your friends and followers has never been this easy, and it's packed with features like Italian design, 12 megapixel photos, HD video, 60-foot range, 6+ minutes of flight time, and smooth air flight stabilization. Welcome to the future of personal photography. Choose the better way to selfie with AirPix, the world's smallest, easiest, and coolest aerial camera ever made. AirPix by Airselfie.
For more than 30 years, the Leatherman multi-tool has been the go-to solution for a lot of different problems in so many different places.
On the trail, between here and over there.
In a bass boat on Lake Minnetonka.
Here in the kitchen, right under there.
And starting today, that includes some of the places we haven't been able to go.
Gate 72, row 12, seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.